It's a jungle out there in the world of small business. There can be dog-eat-dog tactics, technological cave people, even a few sharks. And what's more concerning is that many of the small business jungle's financial advisors or accountants are, well, dinosaurs. And whilst the businesses around them have continued to grow and their needs change, our dino accountants remain in an evolutionary ice age. Sure, they've tried slashing prices and working harder, but when all they're offering is compliance without a winning bedside manner, they're likely soon to be extinct. And with the supercomputers of big business and neighboring tribes keen to take their place, there's little chance of revival. But it doesn't have to be like that. To avoid that outcome, you need to ask yourself life's big question. Might your clients see you as a dinosaur? If you suspect they could, it's either adapt or die. Now, we don't want you to die, so the best way to evolutionary transformation is by checking out Linda Steffens and the Small Business Project. Don't worry, Linda is a transformed dinosaur herself, so you're in good company. Since her change, Linda has studied dino accountants and learned their strengths, instincts, talents, and superpowers. The Small Business Project then leverages these while encouraging small changes to make big impacts on clients' businesses. So you can still be you, whilst thriving in the survival of the fittest of today's modern business jungle. Linda Steffens' The Small Business Project can be completed online or in person. For more information, claw onto lindasteffens.com.